Often you may have your snowflake database with tables, columns, and relationships. But to visualize these objects, we may need a different software. ERD Architect Data Modeler can reverse engineer your Snowflake database directly to a data model and quickly create diagrams to visualize the tables and their relationships. We are now creating a Snowflake data model. Choose the target database as Snowflake and provide a project name. This is a blank model. We will reverse engineer the schema from Snowflake. This is the connection dialog. We need to provide accurate information for all the fields here. If we provide anything wrong, the application might freeze. You may need to close and reopen the application. Here we need to enter the name of the server. Please make sure you have the exact same format for this information. It has organization ID and account ID separated by a hyphen. Please refer the documentation for more details on where to look at for the server name. We also need to enter a username, password, database name, schema name, and a warehouse name. Warehouse in Snowflake is the computing resource used for the interactions. Once we have entered all the information, we can connect to the database and reverse engineer all the objects. We have 6 tables brought in from the database. Look at the model. We have retrieved all tables from database, but the relationships between them were not defined in the database. Let us try to discover the relationships. Open Infer Relationships Editor. Click on Discover. We have few relationships identified by ERD Architect. Let us accept all of them and create corresponding relationships. Right-click the empty area and do a layout. Now we have a data model with tables, columns, data types, and relationships in an easy-to-understand manner. Once we have a data model, we can create schema documentation with few clicks. Let me show you how to publish an HTML documentation of schema objects with clickable diagrams in it. Create a report object and go to Properties. Select the type of objects to be included in the report. Select Export Format as HTML. Click on Publish Report. Specify a directory and a report name. Save. This is an HTML report with 3 sections: diagrams, tables, and relationships. We can click on Objects to view the complete definition. This is the Tables section. Here we can see the relationships and participating attributes. Thank you for watching the video.